Meaning of delta.
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 Delta. Delta is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet, often used in mathematics and science to represent a change or difference between two values. It is symbolized by a triangle with one corner pointing upwards. In finance, delta represents the rate at which the price of an option changes in relation to the price of the underlying asset. Delta can also refer to the landform at the mouth of a river where it meets a larger body of water. Overall, delta represents a change or transformation from one state to another.